Peru. One of the countries with the most diverse and mysterious archaeological sites in the world. Famous by its pre- and post-Incas kingdom civilization. Many of the ruins are still a mystery. One of the most mysterious sites are the Nazca Lines. Located in the Peruvian Atacama Desert, thousands of lines and glyphs designs of animals caught the attention of experts for more than 100 years. But the mysterious lines are not only located in Nazca. All along the Atacama Desert, thousands of lines goes across rivers, mountains and plains, without any logical structure. But one place in particular, about 500 miles from Nazca, is almost the only one with a logical and geometrical pattern. This part of the desert, a flat plains of more than 1,000 square miles, looks the perfect place to build a pyramid complex, with a pyramid like Giza as the main structure. But it was never built. And some lines barely seen, shown the original master plan. The design of the Great Pyramid. Lines that extend more than 2.5 miles in every directions, shown the drawing of the Great Pyramid of Giza. This amazing design can only be seen from a high altitude, and the shape of the structure can be seen as a 3D image. This geometrical pattern shows two details that confirm that this is the original design of the Cheops pyramid. As is well known, the base of the Cheops pyramid is not a square, and the faces of the pyramids are not flat. Each side was made with a small declination to the inside, and this declination converged at the center of the side. It is not exactly known why the pyramid architect did this, but it still can be seen nowadays. This is a structural characteristic of the Cheops pyramid. It has not been seen in any other ancient structure until today. The geometrical pattern of the pyramid at the Peruvian Atacama Desert show how the side of the pyramid has this structural detail. And not only this, it shows the final purpose of the pyramid. A power plant. Located at the top of the pyramid, there are series of lines that suggest energy ray flowing out of the structure. This is a theory that many pyramidologists hold today. There are some experiments that suggest that this theory is true. This picture was taken using the Carolean camera. Inside of the pyramid, they installed a Tesla coil. The result was that the energy flowing by the sides and the vertices went outside, like a stranded DNA-type energy channels. This picture, took by a tourist at the Chichen Itza pyramid in Mexico, show a light ray flowing through the top of the pyramid. A group of scientists measured an energy flowing at the top of the discovered pyramid of Bosnia. Crop circles suggest the use of the pyramid shape as an energetic device, and Silbury Hill pyramid is suggested as an active energy device too. Why was this pattern made in Peru is a mystery. Was the original intention of the pyramid builders to develop a pyramid energetic complex at this continent? Were they showing to another visitors the option of build another complex? Or was the pyramid really built, but it has not been discovered yet?